different offensive strategies that suggested by Neerav will incur many costs should the company go for it. So according to me, you and me both have read the PDF that what is the point of view of Neerav and Shagul. So according to me, Neerav should go for joining e-commerce, doing partnership. But dilution is really worse. Dilution makes anything really worse, whether in chemistry or in physics. So this is the also case of industry. So Neerav should only go for e-commerce. Joining e-commerce is now a new normal for this digital era. So that they can sell their products online, doing partnership. Like Pipe collaborate with IBM. Pipe collaborate with IBM. In this way, IBM and Pipe both have profit. IBM get better students. Pipe get much better faculty. Now, if we go for this, the Economic Times cutting, there the textile minister also providing subsidies for handloom industry. So, Neerav should go for these type of things rather than dilution.
So, our next question is, should the company replace handloom products with the less expensive standard power looms products available in the wider variety? According to my team's opinion, the Girdhar handloom should never ever replace their good and pure handlooms with any cheap power looms, because the remaining 2.04% of their profit is only due to their handmade and pure products. If this dilution occurs, this will completely remove their name from the industry. The company should find a way to make their products and things less expensive. So nowadays, people adopting indigenous things by boycotting Chinese things. So this is the right way and right chance that people recognizing pure things. And as we all know, our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started our Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. So we can also advertise Girdhar handloom by this campaign also. Next please.
Now last question, we have to suggest the best possible strategies for Girdhar handloom to rise exponentially. So according to me and my team research, we have strategy number 1, hire latest or new textile engineers, computer science engineers. Engineers are the person who can increase the profit rate as never much can be before. So and second strategy is joining e-commerce. E-commerce is not only meaning Amazon.com, Alibaba.com, but we can make our e-commerce website for our own. Handloom products should have its own quality, own originality. So they should have their own e-commerce website so that the buyers can get a better idea of handmade products. Now, if we move to strategy number 3, in this generation, you and me know that young youth people only follow Bollywood celebrities. So advertisement is the very nice idea for Girdhar handloom to sell their products. Now, strategy number 4, last but not the least. Dr. Ajay Sahai, Director General CEO, FIEO, Federation of Indian Export Organization. This is the organization in India to make the small manufacturer products to other countries, not only in India but in Germany, in France, in many other nations. Now people are not bound to any state or any single country. They can sell their products out of the world with the help of this federation. Now FIU target of 2021 is to convert 531 million to $3 trillion. You know the meaning of $3 trillion? So according to me, Girdhar handloom should take advantage of this FIO target. FIO is a very nice firm to export your product from your state to the outer of your world. Now this is the time for innovative idea. In 2021 we can change banana fiber to fabric. Banana fiber is a fiber that is waste, absolutely waste. Now if Girdhar handloom tries to make banana fiber into fabric, they will get exponentially growth because this is waste for some people but can be usable for Girdhar handlooms. So according to me, this is the best innovative idea to grow exponentially. Now this is time for conclusion. First conclusion is, can you please? Yeah, conclusion. Joining e-commerce, doing partnership, join FIO and hire engineers. According to me and my team, these 4 steps can help Girdhar handloom to grow exponentially, and this will help themselves to grow like never before. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.